In Russian, there are several ways to greet someone depending on the time of the day and the level of formality. Let's begin with the most common and basic greeting. Привет! It means hi and can be used in informal situation. If you want to be more informal with someone you know well or with friends, you can use приветик, which is friendly and informal way of saying hi. Okay, another expression to say hello is приветствую, greetings, which is more formal way of saying hello in Russian. Another commonly used greeting is здравствуйте, which is the formal way of saying hello. It is typically used when greetings someone you don't know well or in more formal settings. Now, let's move on to greetings specific to a certain time of the day. In the morning, you can greet someone by saying доброе утро, which means good morning. During the day, you can use добрый день, which means good day for good afternoon. In the evening, you can greet someone by saying добрый вечер, which means good evening. Now, you have some useful phrases to greet in Russian. Please practice them with your Russian-speaking friends and acquaintances, and you will make a positive impression. Remember, greetings are an essential part of any language and culture. Спасибо, что вы учите русский язык.